Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your Windows PC guys. It's actually really easy and super simple. So first things first guys, you want to right click on your start button right here at the bottom left. Right click and you're going to see a bunch of different options. What you want to do is click on here settings. Click on settings and then I'm going to show you just how we can access the page where we can set up our backup. So the last option right here, update and security, right? It says Windows Update, Recovery, and Backup. So you just want to click on this and I'm going to show you just how we can create a backup of our Windows PC. You want to click on this option right here, backup, guys. You want to click on this backup option right here. This page is still loading up, but I am going to be clicking on that soon. Let me come back to you once this page loads. All right, guys, once that page is loaded up, you just want to click here on backup. And then, guys, right here, okay? What you want to do is click on add a drive, okay? So you're going to use an external drive, basically an external disk drive, or you can use a USB drive. It's big enough. You can click on add a drive, and then it's going to start actually scanning for the drives. I don't have any drives connected right now, but if you do, this is going to show up here, and then you can start backing up. And as well, guys, if you want to do this, I'm going to show you just how we can restore files from a current backup. If you want to back up in the future, restore using the backup, you just come here, click on backup options, and then click on restore files from current backup, and then it's going to prompt you to choose this location, okay, whichever drive you had used. Remember, guys, you just come and click on more options, and then you will see that option. So the video is literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this helps and you have now learned how to create a backup for your Windows PC, guys, make sure you hit that like button, guys. Comment down below if you had any issues. I will try to help you out. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe.